Teacher. I'm Diana Zambrano, and for today's video, I'm going to talk about the components of a lesson plan. I will start saying why lesson plans are important. They are important because they promise to assist teachers in identifying objectives and anticipating potential issues. Harmer 2001 says that describes lessons plans as proposal for actions rather than content to be strictly followed. Here I decide to explain the components of a lesson plan in 4 steps. The first step that Harmer suggests is that we as teachers we should do a pre-planning a lesson. Why? Because uh, this consider the student's competence level, educational background, motivation, and learning style. So that is very important. The step number two, after the pre-planning, is the description of the students. A broad understanding of students' age level environment can lead to a more detailed description of the individual learners, including their preferred learning style and response to various activities. This means that as a teacher, we cannot left uh, what the students think. It's very important as a teacher to always consider what the students' age and level to make a class more impactful and the students for a better learning. Step number three is the aims and objectives. This indicates what is expected to develop. Establishing primary and secondary objectives is crucial for assessing class performance. As a teacher, with this planning lesson, we should have a goal, what we want the students to achieve, what we want the students to learn at the final of the class. And the step number four is the procedures. This describes how a plan will be performed, the methodology. It focuses on the activities and timing of the lesson, includes activity, techniques, scheduling, assistance, and class interaction. In this part, that it says that its procedure is how we're gonna do the class, if we're gonna do a second plan or another didactic activities. All the methodologies we want to change or what kind of methodologies we can use in the class. That is very important. These are the components of a lesson plan. Here I put an example. This is a lesson plan format by Harmer. It says that the group, the day, the time, the topic of the work, the aims, the goals, the objectives we want to reach in the class, the segment, materials, the timing, the activity by the teacher, the student activity, the success indicator, aims of the stage, additional possibilities, and homework for the work. It's important to send homework to the students so they can practice more on the house. That is very important. As a bibliography, thank you so much, teacher, for watching my video explaining about the components of a lesson plan. Thank you so much.